Hi there, I'm Michael Coleman and I'm just here with this abandoned Cadillac, which is, well, very lost for some love. A coupe, left hooker, left-hand drive, interior looks very old. Those caddies of this era, they had such super comfy seats, look at that. There we are. The paint looks like it was a really lovely colour, although the front bonnet has definitely seen better days. Let's have a quick look around it. There we are. It's a Cadillac El Dorado. Got some what lovely wheels on it, look. Lovely butterfly, old foxgloves. There we are. As you can see inside. Yeah, what was once a great car. It's obviously quite old, it's got a mobile phone, a car phone aerial. But that looks like it was a lovely colour underneath. Anyway, I hope you found that interesting.